two benefits. The first one relates to the fast localization of the faults. So it allows us to speed up the re-energization of the equipment that have tripped. And it allows our operational staffs to be more efficient in this kind of conditions. And it allows us also to increase the availability of our assets. Second one is for the fault analysis department, because when an incident happens, is the opportunity to check that the protection system reacted as foreseen. And so if it is not the case, it allows to understand where is the issue, it allows to fix the issues and to improve the quality of this behavior.